Hi, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create a health bar system in Unreal Engine 4. So we go into Unreal Engine, our third person BP folder, and we create a new folder, and I call this UI. Once we're in here, I open it, go to user interface and create a widget blueprint, which I'll call the player health. This will be our player's health. Once we're in here, I look for the progress bar, which will be the player's health bar, and then make this the correct size. This can be any size which you think is fine. And then anchor it into the middle of the screen so that it stays there. And then if you go to the percent, you can fill up the progress bar. So it goes from 0 to 1, with 1 being the full scale. And then compile, which will save this. Then if we go to our third person BP, we're going to add this to our viewport. So if you right click, event begin play, and then we type in widget, we'll then just select the widget that we just made, the player health, and then we will add this to our viewport, and then we'll just connect the target to the return value. And if we click compile and play, our health bar is now in our game. So let's add some functionality to it. So we'll create a new variable and change it to a float, and then we'll just compile to set enter a value. We'll make this 100. So we'll attach this to our progress bar. It will create a binding, and then we'll do cast to third person character. Our object will get the player character, and then as the third person character, we will get the health variable from our player, and we'll just float divide. We'll divide this by 100 so that it goes from the 0 to 1 in the percentage bar for the progress bar. Then we'll make it so when you press Q, it will take away the player's health. So we get the health variable, and we'll also set the health variable. Then we'll do float minus float. So we'll get the player's health and we'll minus it by a value of 10. So when you press Q, the player's health will be taken away by 10. Then we will just do a print string so we can see the player's health in another way on the screen as well. So if we just tidy that up and then click compile, play. Now when we press Q, the player will start to lose health, as you can see, and the print string also shows his health going down as well. So now we're going to make it so that it destroys the player. So what we'll do is we will get the health again and make it so that when it's less than 0, less than or equal to 0, if this condition is true, we get the branch, and if it is true, we're going to destroy the actor. Then we'll just compile and play that. And now when we click Q, when the player gets 0 health, he will be destroyed. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And if you want a specific tutorial, just comment it down in the comments.